How to customize notifications in Google Chat. For this, you have to go ahead and install the Google Chat application. You can easily install using your Play Store or an App Store. Once installed, just go ahead and tap Open. Now to customize your notification, tap on the three-line icon at the top and head to Settings. From here, you should find the option of Notification Sound. Go ahead and tap on it. So right here, tap on Sound. Now you can go ahead and select any of the sound from your system. Then tap on See More. If you do not want any of the notifications, simply toggle it back off or toggle it on. You can also select your sound from here by tapping on Sound to Custom Ringtone. Select any of the song or music from your album or your playlist. To customize notification for a specific conversation, tap on the conversation and the email address of the person. From here, tap on Notification. Tap on Notify Always to be notified about all the messages. Tap on Notification Off, but it will notify you if you are mentioned. Or just tap on Mute Conversation to never have a notification about this conversation. And that is how you can customize notification in your Google Chat. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.